Hi everyone, I am Teja, and in this class, I want to discuss about loop concepts, where loops mainly used for control the flow of program and to iterate the data, and it is also used for to find the how many elements are actually assigned to a data type, like list, set, to array, and dictionary, and whatever might be the data type. And coming to the basic loop, it is nothing but it is the while loop, and while loop is same in all other programming languages, but syntax is different in Python language. Okay, and coming to the execution of while loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is true. Okay, and if the condition is false, then the while loop will terminate from the loop. Okay, then I will give an example, then you will be understand very clearly. Okay, x is equal to 77, and while x less than, x greater than 70, it has to print like true. Okay, and tru, and in while loop we have to not execute what I wrote in this on while and print, because if you execute this, and the while loop will be become the infinite loop. When the infinite loop is executed, the statement which I wrote is true will be printed as true in infinite times. And if the statement is printed as infinite times, it will lead to crash the system or the software which is in your system. Okay, and coming to the, and here we have to give the condition statements like continue and break and pass, and I will give the break statement to break the print statement from the while loop. Break, so it will execute only one time. You can see that, yeah, you can see that it is executed in the output as one time, because I have given the condition statement break here. If you don't give that, it will lead to the infinite loop. Okay, and coming to the next, uh, if the user want to display, if the condition is true, sorry, if the condition is false but the user want to display something, then we can use the else statement in the while loop, and it is called as while else statement. Like I will change the data which is sn to x, I will give an 41, so you can see that, and the output is empty because 41 is not greater than 70, it is less than 70, so it is not printed anything in the output, but the user want to print something at the output, so in that case we have to use the else statement, like else print 41 is less than 41 is less than 70. Okay, and you can see what it will happen. Yeah, it is printed as 41 is less than 70 because the x greater than 70 condition is false, so it will next go to the else statement and it will print whatever the user wrote in the else statement. Okay, and I will give you an example which is related to how to find the elements which is assigned to a particular data type, and I will write an data type of list, like a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 33 and 77 88 and 10 and 12 and 21 and 44. I don't know how many elements I have sent. Okay, I will do some more elements like 123 143 and 567 and 89 868. Okay, I don't know how many elements, I didn't count that. Okay, and now I will just copy my code from the notepad. Okay, you can see that I have given a count 0 where the element is didn't count, so the I assign the at the starting count is equal to 0, and a while loop, and here the length of a, it is length of a, it will calculate how many elements are there in the a. So I want to calculate in the next cell length of a. Okay, it is 13. Okay, and the symbol is the, and these two symbol is represent about the not equal to. If length of a is not equal to count, then the count has to be add +1. You can see that here count +1 is equal to 0. It is nothing but count is equal to count plus. Okay, I will write here again. Count is equal to count +1. Okay, and here what I will just copy the code. Okay, and the statements in what okay, and the count is equal to count +1, and the count plus equal to 1 is both are equal. Okay, so I wrote here like count plus equal to 1, and finally it will print the count. Okay, and, you can see that the count is assigned as the 13. So it is the example of how to know the how many elements in a particular data type.